guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing my why is this open? Oh. My Boxy charm for you guys. Apparently the sticker didn't close this, which is kind of scary. I hope everything is okay in this. So we're going to unbox this, see what we got this month for October, and yeah, all that fun stuff. Okay, so here's the cute little thing that's gonna tell us the price of everything. I'm gonna set that there, and I already see the first thing, and it is messy with like red stuff. Do you see that? That red on there. Anyways, this is the Murad Hydration Exfoliating Cleanser. I actually like Murad's products. They're really nice and they work really well. This is $40. I will probably definitely use this eventually. I have so much skincare to get through, but I get like a new thing almost every month, sometimes more than one. So I only have one face. I can only do so much with it, but I do need to get better at cleaning my skin. I've been trying to be better at it since like wearing the masks and everything, because I've been breaking out real bad through here, like for a while now. So I've been trying really hard to keep that area more clean, sanitized, nice, so that it can, you know, chill out, because it's getting a little out of control. And then working out in a mask, that's like breakout central. So I've been trying to clean my face more because of that especially. Okay, this is a Lexie bag. This is the Wonderlust set and it's $40. So this is the brushes you get in this. I love their brushes actually a lot. They all work like really well. So I will definitely be using these. I think I have like a decent amount of their brushes now. Not complaining. You can never have too many makeup brushes in my opinion, because who likes cleaning makeup brushes? Not me. And I don't think like anybody else. So, ooh, I see some new lashes. My favorite thing in the world to get, since I don't really like buying them very often. Oh, look, ooh, what's that? There's like a cute little scroll in here. Look at these babies. Can you see those things? I don't know what's easier to see them in. So shiny, look at those. Oh, I can't wait to try these. They're lava lashes, I think. Yeah, lava. Premium faux mink eyelashes. What is the style though? Los Angeles? Or is that just where this is from? I don't know. They're really cute though. These are $19.99, so 20 bucks. Ooh, these are so nice. I really cannot wait to wear these. They are like perfect for me to wear. Super stoked. I literally wear the eyelashes I get out of these boxes like to death. I definitely wear them more than you're supposed to, but I feel like if you clean off the band and really take care of them and don't put like a bunch of mascara on them and all that stuff, they can last a really long time actually and stay like really nice for a good amount of time. Okay, I have Brazilian Kiss from Soul Cosmetics. This is a tinted lip butter. Ooh, that's a cute packaging for a lipstick. It's different. I like it. Look at this baby. That's really pretty. Oh, baby. Let's see. Oh, this is smooth. That's a good color. Sorry, I like how it feels going on. It's really pretty. This is a legit lip butter. And it feels like butter. I like this. This is cute packaging. Super cute. And this is pretty. This is 20 bucks. I just want to like touch it. Oh, you can like wipe it away. Bye. It's like really smooth. I like that. Alright, goodbye to the box. the last thing, I got a palette. My favorite thing in the whole world to get. This is Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bakery. Pretty sure I can read cursive, I think. And this is, yeah, Beauty Bakery. It's $38. Ooh, this is beautiful. These are like super cute purples. Sorry, I have to clean it. Okay. So this is the palette. I really like the purple colors in this. Like that's really pretty, that's really pretty, that's pretty, that's pretty. They're all pretty, but I really like purple eyeshadow. I think it's like super cute and flattering on most people. So that is adorable. And that's everything. So we got a palette. We got a lip butter. We got beautiful eyelashes, makeup brushes, and a exfoliating cleanser. This is everything we got in this month's box. It's very not Halloween, in my opinion. I was kind of expecting like spookier products, I guess, or like orange and black at least. But that's okay. I'm not mad. I guess this is black. This could kind of be not really considered orange, but we'll go with it. This was more like a cutesy box. I'm not mad. It's just funny. I was expecting a little more Halloween themed, but that's just me. Alright, let me put all this back down and let's add up the amount this box comes to.
So 38 plus 40 plus 40 plus 20 plus 19.99.
This is $157.99 for this box. And you pay, I think it's like 5 or 21 or 23, something like that, with like the new weird tax they started on them a while back. But yeah, so that is the value of this box, everything we got in it. I'm super stoked to wear those eyelashes. I'll probably literally wear them to death, like the ones I'm wearing right now. I've worn them literally to death, but I think they still look pretty bomb. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment if you guys get this box, or if you want to start getting this box, or if you got like completely different stuff in your box, or if you were expecting it to be more Halloween themed like I was. Comment below and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe. We're like really close. We're like really close to like 200 people. I'm super stoked about it. Like we're like these close, so close. So please subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!